Hello everybody, how's it going? So we are not in Cashion, Oklahoma, as you can tell, because Cashion doesn't have scooters, but we are testing out a couple of new things, and so wanted to check out our timer and our new intro screen for whenever we start our live streams. Hey Puzzle, how's it going? How's things with you? And hopefully the live stream looks all right. Thank you. Working to try to get things up and running. We now have, and we've had this before, we got the live stream pulled up, and we have the ability to take and look at radar as we're traveling. Hopefully you can hear me over here on this side as well, but there is going to be one that we're not going to be able to take and see, and that is going to be this one, and that is because of the rooftop camera. And so maybe you can hear me on this. I'm not 100% sure. And so the nice thing about this is we can switch back and forth. I don't necessarily like the camera in camera or the PIP, but really don't have an option on that. But we have a 360 camera now. Can you hear me? Testing 1 2 3. Testing mic test. Okay, so you said that you lost. Can you hear me now? Okay, perfect. I had to turn the sound up a little bit. It was down low. But yeah, so we've got a camera now that we can take and do. I don't necessarily like the two cameras there, but like I said, I can't get away from it. I can't disable one. I can switch back and forth between the cameras, which is actually a pretty cool thing. But I mean, only if we need to see back behind us. And so it's kind of a backup camera slash 360 cam. But anyway, so yeah, we've got all of that stuff pulled up now. We've got radar. We have the front facing camera. And then obviously we have our intro. But actually kind of happy about the whole entire camera and the ability to take and move it around. And you guys will be able to see what's behind us now. It is a camera that is IP67 rated, so it will be And so we were questioning that as to whether or not it would actually be a distraction to you guys, and so I really appreciate your input on that. I was concerned that it would be, you know, really kind of too much. And so, yeah, I'm glad that you said that, Puzzle. But clarity is perfect on it. It's coming in at 2K. And so just messing around with just a couple of things. I know that we're a little ways out from storm chase season as far as here in Oklahoma, but yeah, So whenever we're moving away from the storm or repositioning, we can take and turn. I don't know why I said that. Are you guys still with me? Yeah, you are. Okay. Anyway, so that being said, that's a good thing to know. You can still see the storm raging behind you. So that's what we're concerned about. And so as long as we're providing a good quality product for you guys, like I said, we've got radar where you can take and we can watch, we can see where we're at, and everything. And obviously we have our live front-facing camera that we can take and reposition as well whenever we're out chasing. But yeah, so I think we've got everything set where we want it to be set. And not only that, but we have a computer that can handle it now. So I've got a different system in my vehicle. We had some problems yesterday. We're still going to try and work it out to where we can have communications in vehicle without using Zello. I know Zello is kind of, profitable in some instances, but it's also a pain sometimes whenever we're talking back and forth. And so we now have GMRS radios that we can take and talk to one another, handheld and a mobile. It's about a 50-watt mobile radio. And so, with that being said, you guys will be able to hear our communications, Sean Ramsey and myself, and more than likely Aaron Spencer, Noah Singleton, and perhaps even some other folks that will be out chasing with us this year. So anyway, yeah. So that's where we're at. It's a nice, cool 40 degrees out today. It is amazing. Sun is brightly shining. Yes, that should be great to hear everyone. So I've got some errands that I've got to run, and so I won't keep the live stream up for much longer. But anyway, that being said, I'm going to turn my radio back down because I know that you guys will be able to hear that being retransmitted. But let's see, I'm going to turn my radio on and see if we can get anybody to come across here real fast. So this will pick up FRS radios, which is basically your little two-way bubble pack handheld radios. Also, it is GMRS capable, so we can talk on the GMRS handhelds with more channels, higher frequencies, higher power. And then I can actually, with my mobile vehicle, talk to repeaters, which would extend the range of that as well. And so, yep, that's it. But really, really thankful that we've got control over the camera and being able to take and watch it. It does have in-body stabilization, so it may be a little bit jerky on the drive, but I think that it will take and smooth things out as we're going down the highway. If it vibrates a little bit, so be it. I can't control that, but anyways. So, with that being said, thank you so much for your input. We really appreciate it. Looking forward to going out this year. Whatever will be permitted, I'll add it that way. And so hopefully we're going to get some eastern United States, I say that kind of tongue-in-cheek, Mississippi Delta region and that area. So hopefully we can get out on some of these earlier preseason storms. And there you can hear the radio. That's just generalized walkie-talkie talk right there, so you don't have to have a call sign, but I do have to announce my call sign whenever I use my radio, but you guys will be familiar with that as well. So it does go in and out every so often, and you'll get that green screen. It is Wi-Fi connectivity, so hopefully that will hold up during the storms and doesn't interfere with it. But anyway, mounted to the roof of the vehicle, so is our antenna. I'll bring my thing around. I got rid of my anemometer and stuff like that. I think it was just going to be too much for us, but we'll bring the camera around, and there's our GMRS radio antenna, and the Starlink. There we go. All right, so you guys get to see all of the goodies, and like I said, hopefully we will be able to be out and doing some chasing here before too long. So y'all stay tuned. Updated equipment. Hopefully we'll be running smooth as butter. With that being said, everybody have a good Saturday evening. It is 12:31 here in Oklahoma. And so we shall see y'all later. I might do a live stream here before too long. I want to test out my location again, because obviously it is not recording with the location. We've got to be moving, so I trust that everything is working right, because it's saying 43 degrees southeast. We're at 1,139 feet. And it is in fact 12:32 p.m. So, that being said, you are so welcome. Have a blessed day, and we will see you on the next live. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.